How to sign up for Uber Eats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for Uber Eats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is download the Uber Eats app. If you don't have it, you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you do that, open it up. And after you open it up, you'll get few options to sign in. So let me just tap on that. Okay, so you'll get few options to sign in. The first is you can type in your mobile number and start with that. The other ones are you can continue with Google or you can continue with Apple as well. So let us just continue with our phone number and tap on continue. After you tap on continue, it will just send you a verification code in your mobile number. So wait for the verification code. And after you receive the verification code, simply type that in. After you type in the code, it will take you to this page right here. Now, after you're here, you can simply start setting up. And here, that's basically how you sign up for Uber Eats. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.